So you want to know how to powder coat. So what I got going on today is we're going to powder coat a couple parts for this dirt bike project I got going on. Currently I got the parts sandblasted. You can see that in another video, previous video where we did that motor right behind us. I also sandblasted a couple linkage parts for the bike. Right now I got them in this little toaster oven, curing or baking all the oil off essentially. So I got that set for 400. I'm gonna run that for about an hour just to cure any impurities, oil that can leach out of those parts. After that, we'll let them cool, get them hung up, and we'll start powder coating. Right now, I think I'm gonna go, one is gonna be a jet black color. The other color is gonna be chrome and blue mix. So that one will actually take 2 coats of powder coat. So let me show you the oven right now, and all I'm using, this is simple. You can do it at home with a little DIY gun you can buy for 70 bucks and this little toaster oven. So this little toaster oven I got right here, she's toasting the baking the parts. Got that set on about 350, 400-ish. She's been in there for about maybe 10 minutes now, and after that we'll get that part hung, cooled off, and we'll get ready to powder coat. It's time to take them out. There they are. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get them out of here. I'm going to hang them up, and then I'm going to let them cool, and then we will spray them down with some grease remover just as a precaution, and we'll go from there. Alright, now that we got them hung, I'm going to let them cool, and then I'm going to hit them with a prep spray. It just preps everything, takes any excess oil off the parts themselves, and then we'll let that dry. That should take a couple minutes, and we'll get some powder mixed up, and then we'll start hitting them. Okay, so we're ready to start getting our powder in our containers. You can see I already got my anodized blue and my super chrome. For the first part, I'll hit it with the super chrome first, get that baked to 400, 450. And once it hits temperature, the part that hits temperature, then I'll start my timer for about 10 minutes. And then we'll take it out and we'll hit it again with the blue at about the part needs to be about 150 to 180 for it to stick. So we'll have to continue to take temperature readings with the temp gun. I got a little bit of black in here. Not sure it's enough to do the second part I want to do in black. So we'll continue to add just a little more powder in here. Just take your powder. This does not take much at all to do a part. Very little amount goes a long way. So we'll just add probably about a big hefty spoonful. I mean, that's quite a bit of part. I'll put one more in there just to be safe. There we go. And make sure you tie your bag up because you don't want to spill it and you don't want moisture in it. Otherwise it makes powder no good. So let's get this tied up. And then what we're going to do now, alright, this is good. I'm going to put the lid on here, and then we're going to hit the parts with the prep spray. What this does is remove any excess oils or anything that it may still have on it. The pre-bake went great, so I didn't really see any extra oils or chemicals coming out of the parts. So we'll hit this just for safe measures, let it dry, and then we'll start spraying our parts. Okay, so we're ready to start powdering. I got my wire here. This is what sends a charge to this to energize it. All I gotta do is press this button. We'll hit it with the powder. This is the first coat of the super chrome. It's gonna look really gray until I bake it, then it'll turn chrome. So here we go. We're done. Got her coated with the first coat of super chrome. So I'm going to very carefully get this off here. Careful not to shake it too much because the powder will fall off. And I'm going to get it transition over to the oven. Here we go. Alright, so we're going to bake this between 400 and 450 for about 10 minutes. But that 10 minutes starts when the part hits that 4 to 450 mark. Okay, now that the part has reached temperature, I'm going to start the timer for 12 minutes. Okay, so they're ready to come out of the oven. It's extremely hot. I want to get it hung up, so I'm going to be very careful. Get them out of here, and I'm going to get it hung up, cooled down to about 180, 150, and we'll start putting on the second coat. Look how good she looks. Alright, it's time to start hitting it with the blue. Alright, she's coated with the blue. Let's get her back in the oven. Okay, I'm gonna let this part get to 400 for 10 minutes. Alrighty. She's good to go. The anodized blue is done. Still need to let it hang and cool, but let's see how it turned out. Be real careful not to hit it or burn the heck out of myself. Come on now. Alright. Well, would you look at that? Look how good that looks. That is insane how that turned out. So what I'll do, I'll get it hung up, cooled off, and then I'll do the other little piece. The other little piece is just going to be a solid black, nothing special. Same process, just with one color. So I'll get this hung up, I'll do the other one, let it cool off, and I'll let you guys see what they look like after they're all done. So the parts are done. They're done baking, they're cooled off, they're sitting on the bench behind me. They turned out phenomenal. I think you guys should check them out. So there they are. Linkage knuckle, just regular single coat black. Look at that, looks amazing. Here's the double coat. Chrome base and an anodized blue top coat. See how shiny it is, the chrome shines through. I did this in my garage with the toaster oven. Proper prep, sandblasting, baking to remove any oils, and this is the type of products you can have. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for today. I hope you guys like this how-to video on how to powder coat at home. Like I said, anyone can do it. You got anyone. So go out and get some powder, get a powder coating gun, and have fun with it. You can do anything. I just so happen to be doing a dirt bike project. You guys can do anything at home. So if you guys want to see this latest video of my dirt bike build, click this link to subscribe to my channel and check out some videos. Really appreciate it. Hope you guys have a great day. Thank you.